I got a call from my wife. Look at this. We're having a windstorm like crazy here today. You should see over there at the yard. Just took down one of the trees in the backyard, peeling the roof off, tore the fence down. Look at the trash going down the alley, guys. Look at these trees, guys. Let me get in here and see what else is happening. Alright guys, we're gonna head over to the shop and see how bad it is. Yeah, there's nothing we can do here right now. I know that we got some damage over at the shop too, so let's head over there. We'll come back and clean this up later. We got trash cans blowing down the alley, trash blowing down the alley. We got power lines going down everywhere in town. All sorts of mist. Looky here guys, we got trees down in the driveway going to the shop. Looks like I'm gonna have to walk in and get my chainsaw. What this looks like. We can get under it right here. Man, I'm afraid that one's gonna come down. We got metal over here. Yeah, this is kind of scary out here, guys. All these trees can come down. Looky over here. We got all sorts of stuff. Oh shit, this ain't over yet. Kind of a crazy morning out here, guys. Doesn't look too safe out here right now. I'm just looking to see what else is going on. Looks like the tarp's pulled off. Man, what a mess, guys. I better get this. That's crazy out there, guys. I got it on footage for YouTube. Welcome back. Let's get over here and go online and see what's going on around town, man. This is some crazy wind. Man, I don't know if you can hear it. It's rattling the rafters in this place. It's going to pull the roof off this thing. Oh, they're technically not rafters, man. They're roof trusses, but it's rattling them.
And as we go through the day, that wind is going to increase. And around Colorado Springs and Pueblo, we can expect winds in the 30 to 40 mile per hour range fairly easily. And we can briefly have going up toward 80 miles per hour.
80 mile an hour gusts, guys. That's what he's calling for. 80 mile an hour gusts. That's dangerous stuff, man. Message here from my wife, man. Give me a second and I'll be right back. Alright, guys. I'm going to get out here and start cleaning up some of this mess. Come back tomorrow, man, and we'll get in there and